Okay, hello guys. Today is another Cancun takeover. Ooh.
With Cookie.
Cookie. Go Cookie. Go Cookie. Go Cookie.
Oh.
Ow. Okay, and today we're going to be making some egg slime. Slime.
So, how are we gonna make the slime? I mean, we have stubs for paws.
They know.
The hands of epicness.
Ooh.
Snazzy.
Jazzy.
So, what do we need?
Well, we're going to need some glue,
Borax.
utensils. So first we're going to want to just make some normal white fluffy slime. We got the gallon of glue
And the epic hands.
and the epic hands. Oh, oops. Oops, that
Oh, I
could,
got
that
this,
could
guys.
be a problem. Think that's about good. Ah! It's getting everywhere. That could be a problem.
Oh, I got this. The epic hands got this, you guys.
Wow, that helped so much.
Now that we have that cleaned up, we're gonna add in some shaving foam.
So fluffy.
Hands.
Well, that was anticlimactic. So now we're just gonna want to add in the borax and mix this until it's completely fluffy, slimified.
Alright guys, the slime is in the making. But in the meantime, look what I found. It's Coco's skirt. Alright, hands, let's try it on. I think it looks great.
Let me try it on.
Alright.
Ow, 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 ow. Ow.
Your head is too fat, Cancun.
Wow, I look great in this.
Alright guys, we put the skirt away, sadly.
But we finished the slime. And all we have to do now is take a little piece and add the yolk.
Great. Oh. Alright guys, time to put the yolk in. We have an egg. Wow. Cookie the chef here, guys.
Wow.
Oh, oh.
No! And now we are going to mix it.
Alright guys, we mixed it.
And now it's time to add glitter.
Look at the beautiful glitter.
I love it.
Cancun!
I love it.
No mine, yum yum yum.
Okay, so here's the slime.
Oh.
Oh. Okay, so here's the slime. And we're just gonna add some pretty glitter. Oh. Okay, give me the glitter. Hands. Glitter.
Oh my word. Can I eat it? I want to eat it.
No, you can't eat glitter. You'll die. No. No.
Alright guys, we gotta hurry up and get out of here before Coco...
Wait, why are the lights on? Where's my skirt?
Bye guys!